It's not uncommon for the rollers to get coated in part of the media coating. This is completely normal and can be cleaned easily. Start by lifting the roller up using the grey switch to the right hand side. Then using the included swab and cleaning solution, clean off the roller gently. Rotate as you do to get each side, and do that for all of the rollers on this run. We then recommend drying the rollers off with another clean swab that is not soaked in cleaning solution. You can alternatively use a lint-free cloth. Once the rollers are clean, you can snap it back down into position and roll some media through using the arrows on the front of the printer to ensure that none of the solution is left when you start your print job.